back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I have an exciting work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be from well-known Cash App. It is non-phone. It is going to be doing customer service through email, answering emails, and through the in-app messaging system. They don't require any kind of college degree, and they're paying anywhere from $21 to $28 an hour. Best of all about this position, they're hiring 16 different people, so your odds of getting in the door are highly elevated since they're hiring more than one person. We're going to dive all in. The link to this page, if you want to put that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just want to ask that if you like job leads like these, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that these are kind of what you're looking for, and I keep looking for these and sharing more types of job leads like this. So with that being said, Cash App is hiring a customer success advocate for their in-app messaging system. This is a full-time remote work from home position. Now they're looking for highly motivated and dedicated people to provide world-class support exceeding the expectations through interactions with their users. You're going to provide empathetic customer support through the in-app chat messaging part, and you'll do it through email using the CRM tool. So you'll be responding to those emails and those messages incoming from the app, so completely non-phone. You're going to hold a high bar of support when owning those customer service interactions. You'll utilize technology efficiently and engage with the customers and your team to meet your goals. You're going to identify the issues, document and follow up with engineers on any product bugs and features. You're going to be the advocate for the customers by identifying any trends that are coming in, people complaining about the same thing over and over, and suggesting improvements to process and policies. You'll recognize errors and draft improvements to content for the external customer center and internal documentation. Now they're looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you are going to have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. And again, they have 16 spots available, so they're hiring 16 different people. Now they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 2 years of relevant work experience in some kind of customer service contact center. They say if you have previous experience with chat, that is a plus, but not required. They want somebody who has a genuine curiosity about people and businesses, someone who has experience in some kind of customer service facing role, direct customer service facing role, someone who has great attention to detail, strong organizational skills, and excellent time management skills. Now again, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but location being a big one. They do have their United States broken down by zones. The lowest paying zone pays $21.35 an hour. The highest paying zone pays $28.47 an hour. They do have a resource linked here. If you click on this link, it'll open up a map and show you what zone you're in based on what state you live in. On top of the pay, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Remember, sharing is always caring, so if you found this job lead helpful, please share with all your friends and family so we can all get the word out and work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Don't forget, if you're looking for something specific, leave that in the comments below because I do read those, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.